Vulliamy je potrošio dane i dane dok nije došao do potrebnih odobrenja od Karadžića da ode u prijedorske logore. Konačno, kad mu je Karadžić odobrio, susreo se sa prijedorskim gospodarima života i smrti, doktorima Stakićem i Kovačevićem, pukovnikom Arsićem i Simom Drljačom, koji mu nisu dali da ulazi, sve pod nekim lažnim izgovorima. Na kraju, nudili su mu da posjeti logor u Manjači, jer su znali da su tamo već bili ljudi iz Međunarodnog crvenog krsta. Vulliamy je želio da posjeti Omarsku. Konačno, kad su mu dozvolili da prođe kapiju, ostao je šokiran.
Skeletally thin with their heads shaven, and that's when you started to think, where am I and what epoch am I in? There's nothing like the eyes of a prisoner that wants to tell you something they can't. It's a burn, it's a eyes on fire, fear, and
Bilo mu je jasno gdje se nalazi.
I think as amazed to see us as we were to see them. The scene is, I think, fairly famous now.
Slike bodljikave žice i do kosti mršavih muškaraca tih dana obišle su svijet.
But then we went round into the building itself. There was a sort of medical centre, and two people running it. Heroic, this whole story is a story of unsung heroes. And heroines, in this case, one of them was a vet called Azra Blažević, the other was a doctor called Iris Merjanić. My dear friend and colleague Penny Marshall asked him, are there beatings? And he sort of rolled his eyes. Azra Blažević, meanwhile, I remember she said to me, it is as bad as you think. Then she slipped as a roll of film, undeveloped, which had on it what turned out to be the first actual images of what was going on.